1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi everybody, I'm Zuzu. I'm glad to see you again. Welcome to my channel, Zuzu Unique KG. Salam dostlar, abdan kuvvançtамын kayradan sizlerdi görgönümü. Hoş geldiniz menin kanalıma. Bu Zuzu Unique KG. Today, let's learn to count from 1 to 10 and from 10 to 100. Bugün sanaganды үйрөнөбүz. 1-ден 10-го чейин, анан 10-дон 100-гө чейин. Макулбу? 1-ден 10-го чейин birinci bat айтам, андан кийин жайыраак айтам. So at the beginning, I will tell faster and later repeat slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 2, 2. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Perfect! And you also can just repeat after me. I will make pause and you can repeat because when person learn foreign language, it's better when you speak aloud, speak up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, good job. Azamatsız. Let's start from 10 till 20. Emi 10'dan başlap 20'ga çeyin sanayız. First, remember faster, second slowly, and third, you will repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. So it's easier when you learn from 1 to 10. Yeah, it's easier later make like after 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, it's easier to count. Now, for example, just repeat after me, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's do now from like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, I started in Kyrgyz. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Now I will give an example how we can make a sentence from numbers. Okay, they usually somebody wants to ask, how old are you? In Kyrgyz language, siz kancha jashtasız. Siz kancha jashtasız. This is polite way, like formal way, and informal way, sen kancha jashtasın. And for example, men, let's say 27. 27 жаштамын. Don't forget to put personal ending or to edit for the жашта. Мен 27 жаштамын. And if the question is, how old is he? Ал канча жашта? There are no endings because this is third person, right? Ал канча жашта. So ал you can use for female and for male. How old is she? And how old is he? In Kyrgyz language, just one sentence. Ал канча жашта? An example, let's say 44. Ал 44 жашта. Ал 44 жашта. For example, we are, how old we are. Biz канча жаштабыз. So because of biz, the personal endings biz. Канча жаштабыз. We are 30s, for example. Biz 30 жаштабыз. And sometimes kids, they asked parents, men канча жаштамын? Men канча жаштамын? It is, how old am I? And for kids, we can say, sen 3 жаштасың. Sen 3 жаштасың. Yeah, I give these examples because to show how personal endings you have to add to the word is jashta. Okay? Allar, they are, yeah? Allar kancha jashta. Allar, let me say 55, yeah? 55 jashta. They are 55 years old. So al singular and allar plural, but both of them the same. There are no endings. Jashta, jashta. For example, al 35 jashta, allar 57 jashta. So no endings. So this is it was some examples how we can use numbers. Also, numbers we use usually when we go to the market and bazaar or counting money, etc. So that time also, of course, we need. And if you wanted to ask in the bazaar how much it cost, you can just say канча турат. Канча турат. So how much it cost? And the answer probably is bazı 38. It means it cost 38. Let's speak about numbers. When we wanted to say first, second, third, fourth, etc., Kyrgyzcha, we have to add chi. Vowels should be changed, but the ending is ch. It shows the first, second, third, etc. For example, bir, one, birinci, first. Like eki, two, ekinci, second. Üç, three, üçüncü, third. Third, four, dördüncü, fourth. Beş, five, beşinci, fifth. Etc. Altıncı, yedinci, sekizinci, dokuzuncu, onuncu. You see, so the letter ch and vowels change according to the law of vowels. So this shows in English th, yeah? After third one, for example, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay? So I hope today's lesson was not difficult for you, and don't forget to thumbs up, give me some comments, I would be happy, and also turn on the bell that new videos you can't skip it. Okay? Кубанычта болдум, бүгүн дагы бир сабак өттүк. Бул сабак сизге өтө кыйын болгон жок деп ишенем. Мага лайк койгонду унутпаңыз. Анан комментарий жазсаңыз кубанычта болом. Коңгуроону басып койсоңуз, жаңы чыккан видеону ар дайым көрүп турасыз. Жакшы калгыла, саламатта калгыла. Goodbye. See you next time.